Hello guys, I'm back. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make Delta executor key system. Find a game like Brookhaven. See, I'm gonna join. My phone is a bit laggy though, but it's still okay. I can post. Guys, please like and subscribe. I want to beat my cousin by on his YouTube account. He has 1000k YouTube. I appreciate you guys. May God bless you. See, there's the example. If yours is Android, this is for Android. Also for iOS, click receive me. Right, it will just teleport to Chrome. Find it. Oh, now teleported. See like that? See? So we need to copy this. See? And Delta Android key system. Oh, why? Why like this? Dude, hey! Okay, I'm gonna come back in here and in here. Is there a glitch in Delta right now? Wait, it's almost. I'm not an iPad kid, okay? I'm not no like new generation kids. Don't be like that. I'm from the Philippines. Was see one expert ads. Click continue. See ads again. Skip them. Skip them. Click loot labs. See first the side button. The first. If you see this, just skip it like that. Only this and this and this like that. Just wait, it may take a while. I'm just gonna do the steady dance. Just wait, guys. I'm still here. I'm I'm still awake. I'm still awake. It's 11:17 in the night here in the Philippines. I'm still awake. I just teach you how to do. Okay. Last, just wait like this. Now claim reward. Wait, click here, create your key here, and skip the ad and click. Finally, I'm gonna put it back on the game. It's almost gonna end, okay? I teach you in the first, I teach you in the second video that how to download Delta. That's why I'm gonna teach you how to get the Delta key because I was getting late because I was logging in my account. Don't say I'm a yapper, okay? I'm not that thing that those iPad kids do. Now click the key that we copied here, right? For the first time here. That's it, guys. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow.